Alright, what is going on, people? You see our bikes out there. Well, you see my green ZX14. And we're riding with Jeffrey here. What's going on, Jeffrey? And Kashiwa-san, hello. And Kahori-san, that's Tomo's mom. And he is getting a breakdown on this MT-09. It's a sexy bike right there, isn't it? Look at that thing. Weather is kind of like iffy today. Yeah, so even now the rain is drizzling a little bit. This is Kashiwa-san's Honda Shadow 750. My dad used to have one of those. They're cool. Of course, my ZX14 right there. I think I'm gonna like this bike. Sorry, but I'm gonna be getting one soon. This is Jeffrey's GSXS 750. Goon Squad rolling out, baby. Hey. Huh. I gotta get Kashiwa-san. Bum. Woo, look at them boys. Those sexy bikes. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, we're just driving through to Osaka. The city is huge. Second largest city in Japan. It's just sprawling, man. Back on solid ground. Hey, we're at Expo City. It's like the biggest Ferris wheel in Japan right there. Man, Osaka doing it big. They got the largest building in Japan, and now I think they got the largest Ferris wheel also. My first tunnel, baby! Alright, so that's Lake Biwako right there. This is the lake that we're gonna drive around. Alright. Going over a somewhat popular bridge here. Oyui? I don't know. Whatever. I give up. But look at that. Beautiful, huh? Right up over there is where we just had lunch. Rice patties everywhere, boy! I feel like I'm in the motherfucking Andes! Oh yeah, check this out. We just stopped at a service center. And look what's here, man! My VFR! Oh boy, looking cool in that MT-09. Right through the mountain we go. Japan says we don't go around the mountain, we go through mountain. I don't know, that's my best Japanese accent. gosh, this is amazing, man. Like, the temperature has dropped about 10 degrees since we got in this area right here. It's so cool. Oh my gosh, look at this shit. Woo! Oh my gosh, it's so breezy right here. Yeah, you like that, don't you? I know. Wow! Alright, we just got to the Shirahige Shrine. Shirahige Shrine. And they're the girls there. They did great. They're doing great. We're like halfway home. But check this place out. I'm gonna ring the bell, I don't care. Ready? 500 years, good luck. Another shrine. At the same time, I'm doing a selfie. Well, this is what we came to see right here. The Shirahige Shrine. How awesome is that? Look at that thing, man. Just sitting there in the water. So peaceful, so zen. I feel tranquility. Yes. Hey. Yo. That's awesome, man. This is the squad right here. Japanese Goon Squad. Ah, yeah. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are back on the road. On the road to nowhere. Actually, we're going back to Osaka from Lake Biwako. It's a great, great day, great ride. I didn't want it to end. I still don't want it to end. It's 6 o'clock at night. Sun is going to be setting soon, and we got to get the kiddies back. But look at this, man. We got the mountain range on one side, and well, you can't see it right now, but we got the biggest lake in Japan on the other. Got to see the Metasequia Ave with those beautiful trees. And now we're heading home. So hope you like the trip. Thanks for tagging along. For right now, I will say au revoir. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below.